Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tuna in the house. So guys, this is gonna be a series of video, okay? I'm gonna make more, all right? So this is part one. So guys, if you have these few ingredients at home, you will never go hungry, all right? Now I'm gonna make some tuna melt burgers, and I'm gonna make it in a different way for you, all right? Good for your complete family, your whole family. I have 1 sweet peas, 2 cans of tuna. I'm going to use half of this, not all. And you need some bell peppers, onion, tomato. We're going to set these aside. Now you want to work on the dough, okay? So I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Guys, sometimes you think say I record and the vegan thing not record. But anyhow, lucky I caught myself, okay? So I told you before I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Then I put in this 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. I put 2 tablespoons of sugar. All right, and now I'm on the oil. I'm like, oh my god, why is it not recording? So I add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm gonna use 3, so that's 2, and that's 3. Oh, and I put 1 teaspoon salt, and when I'm putting the salt, I put it at the side. I don't put it directly on the yeast. Put 1 egg. I'm gonna break it, take out the whites. I'm gonna give it a little beat. You don't have to. And I'm gonna pour that in. I'm gonna put 1 cup of milk, 2%. You can use coconut milk, almond milk, whatever you want. All right, I'm gonna pour it directly over the yeast so it can give it a warm feel. Put a little, okay. Put a little flour, and you're gonna take it out. You can use oil or flour, so I'm gonna dust my hands. And now you're just gonna knead this. Knead this well for about 7 to 10 minutes, all right? I see some people beat it like this, guys. You're gonna need your scraper on deck, okay? If you don't have a scraper at home, just use a knife. So if it starts to stick like that, just do like that. Alright guys, when you get it like that, this will work. Get your bowl. I'm gonna put a little olive oil, about ½ teaspoon, and you're gonna rub it up. Put in the oil, won't let the dough dry out. Simple, that's it. Cover it with some cling wrap and a kitchen towel. Leave it for about 90 minutes. 60 minutes is okay. Put in the grease-proof paper on it, guys, sealing the heat so it can rise the dough fast, all right? And yeast love dark area, so you want to cover it, all right? And I'll come back. So we're gonna kind of fry up the tuna a little bit, and I'm gonna go in with some olive oil. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons, so that's 1, that's 2. Put my onions to fry up, my scallion. All right guys, so once you get these fried up a little bit, I'm gonna go in with the bell peppers and the tomato. You can put few pieces of garlic, like a peg or 2. I'm gonna go in with a teaspoon of minced garlic or garlic paste. And this is my blended seasoning. I will leave a link. I'm gonna add a teaspoon. We're gonna give this a little stir. We're gonna put a little bit of black pepper, maybe about half now, and I'm gonna put another half after. We're gonna go in with a little salt, maybe ½ teaspoon. Just give it salt to taste, alright? I'm gonna add some sweet peas I'm gonna go in with about half can. Try this in. If you want it spicy, you can put some scotch on it or some cayenne pepper. I'm gonna put just a smidge for a taste. Okay, don't put too much. Now I'm gonna put 1 Maggi cube for a little bit of extra flavor. Okay. If you wanna put your tuna, I'm gonna use 2 cans. This is my cream of mushroom. I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoons to give me that creaminess I'm looking for. Other half teaspoon of black pepper, and that's it. Guys, this is so good, full of flavor. All right, turn down the stove. I'm gonna give this about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, and that's it. And I'm gonna cover it. All right, guys, after this we're gonna turn the stove off. Oh my gosh, look how creamy and nice this is, guys. This is nice with rice as well. Look at the goodness. We're gonna dust a little bit of flour, not too much. All right, poke out the extra air bubbles. I like to knead it a little bit like that. So we're gonna cut it like this. And then I'm gonna cut this in one. We're gonna do 6 big ones, okay guys? You can do 8 if you want. So what I'm gonna do, just fold it over and tuck it in. Pinch the bottom. Just put a little flour there. So just tuck it in like that. Pinch the bottom. I'm also gonna put a little bit of oil on the greaseproof paper. All right. And now you're gonna get your rolling pin. Put one of the dough in the middle like this. Put a little flour, and you're gonna roll it out. You can also do it like this with your hands, and you don't have to use a rolling pin. All right. But I'm gonna roll it into a round circle. Look at the goodness. Can you see that, guys? We're gonna place it in the middle. You can put any cheese of your choice. I'm gonna go in with this sliced cheese, and I'm gonna just put half. Okay, and I'm gonna just fold it in 2 like that. Set it on top. All right, now wet the edges. Now you're gonna pick up everything, just kind of gather it up together. Okay. When you get it to the top, you just pinch everything together. You can take it in your hand. I'm gonna pinch all the edges together. Once everything is pinched together, you just smooth it up. And then you're gonna put it on your tray, and you're gonna do the rest of them like this. I'm gonna put 2 spoons. I'm gonna get my slice of cheese, fold it like that, place it on top, put your water around the edges, and basically you just want to pick it up. Okay, so just gather it up like that. You can even do the one like that. Okay, and you're gonna gather up everything together. right, take it up and squeeze everything together. If you're pinching it, make sure it's not gonna leak. All right, round it up a little bit. As you can see, they're already big and juicy. I'm just gonna cover it for about 15-20 minutes and then I'm gonna come back. I have 1 egg and I took the whites out. All right, and I'm just gonna beat it and then I'm gonna make the wash for it. You can put water or milk. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of milk and I'm just gonna beat this. I'm just gonna use my fork and I'm gonna put a few jukes on it, my egg wash, and I'm gonna put it all over it. And you want to go ahead and preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, make sure you coat the entire thing. Some of your sesame seed, and you're gonna sprinkle a little bit on top. You don't want to overdo it. All right, just a little bit. Pop this in for about 20 minutes. All right, and then I'll be back. You can make up to 9 or 12, all right, medium size, but these are grandiosa burgers. I have some olive oil and I'm just gonna put it on the top and I'm gonna let them cool down a little bit. All right guys, they're still hot, but basically you want to take your time and take them off. These are huge. Look guys, pull up my hand middle. All right, and this is how it's looking on this side. And this is it, and I have 2 more over there and I'm gonna make a big bite in one and show you. All right. They're so big and fluffy. All right guys, so I'm gonna make a big bite in one of them, biggest bite as I can, and then I'm gonna show you. Oh, mama. Oh, so good. What a big bite. All right, I'm gonna just set it right here. Can you see the goodness in it, guys? Yes. Can you see that? This is what I'm talking about. Tuna burger, or tuna burger melt, anyhow you want to call it. You see the cheese inside, guys? So good. Remember guys, if you don't want to make them this big, all right, you don't have to. All right, you can make 9 or even 12. All right, medium size one. Okay.